All right, we now move on to IELTS speaking part 2, and your topic is describe an item of clothing that someone gave you or describe an important piece of clothing. So,
Well, I would like to talk about a piece of item, a piece of cloth that I received from my closest friend since 3, 4 months ago. That piece of clothes was silk, and it was really a fascinating gift for me because it was from my closest friend Aisha. I received it on my birthday. On the top of that, that silk scarf was made up of synthetic fiber that actually not really available in Pakistan. I was really extremely happy and overwhelming when I received that gift from her.
overwhelmed.
Overwhelmed when I received that gift from her, and moreover, why she gave me that gift, because once we were doing a shopping, and we were together at the shopping mall, and I told her once that I really like that scarf, and she was like, I will gift you that scarf really soon. So eventually I got it at the end, and I'm really happy to receive it.
All right, that's very good. It's much better. Keep it up. Few grammatical errors, but otherwise it's good. You have very good accent, style of speech. It's quite interesting. So just focus grammar a little.
Sure.
Now we have speaking part 3. What kinds of clothes do people wear after work in your country?
Okay. In my country, after work, after a hectic work, people like to wear loose clothes. For instance, people like to wear shorts, shirts that are really loose and easy to wear, and girls like to wear light shirts, t-shirts, and stuff like that. Yeah.
Okay, this is good. Just try to add some more to this answer.
Okay.
Otherwise, you're fine. Good job. Thank you.